Today's our topic is like fractions and unlike fractions. Like fractions means in the fractions all the denominators are same or called like fractions. Example 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, so and so. 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7. These are like fractions. Then what is the meaning of unlike fractions? Unlike fractions means in a fractions all the denominators are different or called unlike fractions. 2 by 5, 3 by 7, 4 by 9 and 7 by 5. In these fractions 2 by 6, 3 by 7, 4 by 9, 7 by 5, so on. So in these fractions the denominators are different. So these type of fractions are called unlike fractions. Then in like fractions, how to identify the largest fraction and the smallest fraction? Suppose 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. In these fractions the highest numerator is 4. So 4 by 5 will become a largest fraction. The smallest numerator is 2. Then 2 by 5 will become a smallest fraction. Just the denominators are same means just we have to observe that numerators. The highest, the largest numerator, the fraction is belongs to the largest fraction. The smallest numerator, the fraction is belongs to the smallest fraction. Then how to write that ascending descending order of like fractions? Two by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. These are given the fractions. So ascending order means the smallest numbers to the largest numbers. In the smallest fraction is 2 by 5 less than the next smallest fraction is 3 by 5 is less than 4 by 5. The next descending order. The largest fraction to the smallest fractions. If you write reverse of the ascending order, it will be get descending order. 4 by 5 greater than 3 by 5 greater than 2 by 5. Then to write unlike fractions to ascending order and the descending order, just we have to make the unlike fractions into like fractions. Later we have to write the ascending order and descending order. The next is addition and subtraction of like fractions. Addition and subtraction of like fractions. See, add 3 by 7, 4 by 7 and 5 by 7. Add 3 by 7, 4 by 7 and 5 by 7. These are like fractions. While adding like fractions, 3 by 7 plus 4 by 7 plus 5 by 7. All the denominators are same, just add the numerators. All the denominators are same means just we have to write one denominator, that is 7. Then 3 plus 4 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12 by 7. The sum of these three like fractions is equal 12 by 7. This is improper fraction. Suppose the answer is mixed means we have to change into mixed fraction. Divide 12 by 7, 7 1 is 7, then 5 is the remainder. So we can write this 1 5 by 7. Subtractions of like fractions. Denominators are same. In the addition, just we added the numerators. In subtraction also, denominators are same, is just we have to subtract the numerators. See, subtract 9 by 7 from 11 by 7. Subtract 9 by 7 from 11 by 7. Here the largest fraction is 11 by 7, the smallest fraction is 9 by 7. 11 by 7 minus 9 by 7. Denominators are same. Write that common denominator 7. Just subtract this 9 from 11 is equals 2 by 7. So this is the method to add the like fractions and subtraction of like fractions. Suppose if they are given unlike fractions, add 2 by 3 to 4 by 5. Add 2 by 3 to 4 by 5. These are unlike fractions. There are two methods to add that unlike fraction, LCM method, and one more method is, first we have to change that unlike fractions into like fractions. See, 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. We have to take that LCM of 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Why? Because 3 and 5 are co-prime numbers. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Now we have to make each and every fraction, the denominator we have to change to 15. Suppose in the first fraction, denominator is 5, this 5 denominator is 3, this 3 we have to change into 15. We have to multiply numerator and denominator by 5. 2 into 5 by 3 into 5, then 10 by 15. Second, 4 by 5. Denominator is 5, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 3. 4 into 3 by 5 into 3, 12 by 15. So the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3 is 10 by 15. Equivalent fraction of 4 by 5 is 12 by 15. Now we have to add 10 by 15 plus 12 by 15 is equals 22 by 15. So the sum of 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 is 22 by 15. This method is just we have to change the unlike fractions into like fractions according to the LCM of the denominators. So this is the method to addition of a unlike fraction. Then subtraction of a unlike fraction also same. First we have to take the LCM of denominator, then we have to change each fraction into like fraction, then subtract the numerators.